Saving Mother Earth is not something we want, but it's everything we need. A very good afternoon, dear kids of class 3. As you all must have got idea that we have to give a deep thought to this quote. And today we will discuss some points related to this. How we can save our Mother Earth. Children, think about the unconditional love and tireless care that your mother gives, even though you trouble her, to test her patience again and again. In the same way, our Mother Earth provides us humans, even though we thoughtlessly pollute and deplete her resources and take for granted that she will always be there to support us. It's not a secret that we are facing an environmental crisis right now. So, with the thought of giving gratitude and protecting the only earth we have, I would like to share with you some action steps that we can easily implement or apply to help ease the negative effects of global warming and ensure sustainable planet for all now and into the future. We should stop unnecessary cutting of trees. Rather, we should plant large number of trees, because trees provide food and oxygen, they save energy, they clear the air, prevent soil from washing away or blowing away, they reduce pollution, and so many things they do for us. And we should love our environment. We should show our concern towards our environment. We should not be a litter bug that makes this earth a dirty place. Rather, we should take steps to make it a better place. We should volunteer to clean up our community, and we should also involve other people in this campaign. We should save energy by saving electricity, saving water, and saving fuel. And by following very simple steps, we can do this. Like, we should turn off all the electronic devices when not in use, change used light bulbs into new energy saving bulbs. We should wash our car less frequently to save water, or we should stop water from leaking by making sure that all the taps in our house are turned off or get it repaired. And we should prefer biking or cycling over driving. So these are very simple things that we can follow to save energy. We should always remember to 3 R's, means reduce, reuse and recycling the wastes. This is a very new concept for you, but you all are in process of doing all these things, maybe knowingly or unknowingly. Like, we should always choose to use things with care to reduce the amount of waste generation. Means we should reduce the production of wastes. By reuse, we mean the repetition or the repeated use of items or wastes which still have usable aspect, like doing best out of waste activities. We used to reuse the things. We use the things which are not in use to create something new. So this is also very good practice of reusing the things. Recycling means the use of wastes itself or resources itself, and it also means creating something new from the wastes material, or converting wastes into reusable material, like newspapers, magazines, plastic, glass, cartons, tin, aluminium foils. All these things can be recycled. The 3 R's means reduce, reuse and recycle all help to cut down on the amount of waste we throw away. They conserve natural resources and energy. They save land and money to dispose of wastes in landfills. And waste minimization can be achieved in effective way by focusing primarily on the first of the 3 R's, means reduce, followed by reuse and recycle.